When the brain connects to the internet, the end of human freedom? Will this question force you to think in the future? Imagine a day when you lose complete control over your own thoughts. Someone enters your brain, changes your emotions, memories, and even your decisions. Could this be the future? How much will human emotions, religion, literature, imagination, politics, gender roles, and wars change because of this? I think many things will change, and so will human life. Today, we will talk about a technology that could become the biggest threat to human freedom and existence, brain computer interface BCI. When our brains connect directly to the internet, will we still be free? Or will we become slaves to technology? When the brain connects to the internet, scientists are developing technology that can connect the human brain directly to computers. Elon Musk's Neuralink has already started testing electrodes implanted in the human skull to send data directly from the brain. In the future, this could connect to the internet. But what will happen if this becomes real? Control over thoughts. You may think you are making independent decisions, but that might not be true. If hackers or governments can send information directly into your brain, they can make you believe anything. Erasing or changing memories. The most valuable thing in life is memory. But if technology can erase or rewrite memories, how will you ever know if your experiences are real or artificial? The end of privacy. Your personal thoughts will no longer be yours alone. Others might read them through the internet, or even control them. Will this be the last day of human freedom? Is this entirely bad? This brain-machine connection could also be a blessing for humanity. It could help paralyzed people walk again, restore lost memories, and even make our brains as powerful as supercomputers. But what if this technology falls into the wrong hands? That would be a disaster. If not, I will be the happiest person. The dark side of the future, brain enslavement? Did you know that DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, is already researching technology that implants computer chips in soldiers' brains to improve their mental abilities? But what if this becomes a weapon? What if a totalitarian government gains the power to control people's thoughts? The future, will we be slaves to technology? One question remains, if your brain is connected to the internet, are you truly free? Or are you just part of a system where someone else is in control? When technology starts controlling human thoughts and decisions, freedom will no longer be just physical, it will go deep into the mind. What do you think? Will humans remain truly free in the future, or will we become prisoners of technology?